Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to install a construction set for Oblivion. Not only that, I'll show you also how to put the this mod on, which gives you so many more features. Okay, let's do it then. Okay then, so I'll leave a link to this website here, to official Oblivion construction set. You might need to create an account on Nexus for to download this. So yeah. So here it is. So it just says here some requirements. The Elder Scrolls. So you need the game. You need 2 gig of RAM and 1 gig of RAM for world, and 512 megabytes. So you need a bit of RAM for this game. Admin rights, etc. And DirectX 9.0C. I'm gonna show you a link to that in a bit when I do the installation for the extended version. So yeah. So let's just do this one first. So construction set this, and then save the file, save the zip file, and then here, and then here. So and I'll just copy it somewhere. So I'll copy it to my Oblivion folder, Oblivion, and just copy it in here, I guess, and then here. So let's install it. Yep. I accept these terms and conditions, etc. Yes, I want to view very far. No. I'm going to say no to all them. So, I think I had 2, but it doesn't matter. I think this is what. Doesn't matter. I'll get rid of that. I should have deleted that before, but just ignore that. You won't have that there. You'll just have this file here. Test construction set, blah blah blah. So that's what you'll have that there. I'm not going to open it though because it doesn't. It's just a mess, and this is assuming you haven't installed DirectX. So yeah, we'll move on from there. So brilliant. So now there'll be a link here in the page. So construction set extender, and just click that. I'll put a link to it, I guess, to just show you where it is. And here we are. We have all the stuff here. The thingy. The page. You'll also need Oblivion script extender. So you need the OBSC. So you need this. So what I'm gonna do is I'll do this. I'll do the script extender. So if you haven't done it, just right click on that link, and it'll give you this page. And then if you download it, save. And yes, and I think if I go to downloads, so if you've got this, no, not that actually, sorry. Oh, that's it, yeah. So if you go to OBSC, that OBSC zip folder we just downloaded. So what you have to download is data, that DLL. You don't need that. You need that. You need that, and you also need that. And if you just right click and copy, and just go to your Oblivion folder, and just paste it in here. Paste it in this destination. Yeah, I just press that because I already have it, but despite that, I wanted to show you guys how to do it, and I'm pretty sure it should work. I don't think that's all of them. Let me just check. I don't have that zip folder open, do I? Well, I just go to the zip folder again. Just make sure. So data, yeah, that there, and that. Yeah, I think that's everything. And and the OBSC loader as well. You need that. So now we've done that. So that's all done. So brilliant. So if we download this here, where it says the main folder in the set extender page. So press manual download, and then press download there. There we go. Now there's a lot of things you need to install for this. So we've installed OBSC, so that's the important thing. And if you it comes in 7-zip. Now I have to open it like this, but I don't know what you might have done. But so if you see here, so a lot of the stuff here, I just do this. So I think I'll just get everything and then extract to games, and then it's yeah. So this is where your Oblivion folder is, and just in oh, no, not in Oblivion mods, in Oblivion, just install it there. Now I'll just pray SDR because I already have it there, but despite that, now some people say that apparently, so if I refresh this, just refresh, so if I go back to my Oblivion directory, people say, oh, if you what it says, if you just click that and run it as admin, it'll work. But no, it don't work for me for some reason. But I did work out another way. But before that, we'll just go through the prerequisites of what you need to get. I already have these, but despite that, I need you guys to make sure you have them. So we've got that. We've got Oblivion scripts extender. By the way, this is the README file that you get with a zip folder. So yeah, Oblivion scripts extender, .NET network framework 4.0. So if I go to that, yeah. So just press yes. I think it's not harmful. So here we go. So download this. I'm not sure what do you download for. Let me go check that. So you need to download Network Framework 4.0 plus. I think. I think you just need that. So if we go to this and then save it, and then if I open that file and yeah, it says. So I've already installed it. It's just saying that. So, but if it hasn't for you, it won't come up with that. Sometimes I'm not sure whether I have these things installed or not. And then so let's look at the next thing. Is this the same thing? No. So Microsoft Visual C++, Windows 10. So so English and download, or whatever language your language is, main language. And if I open this up and I press yes. So I already have it. I've got a newer version. So if you got a newer version, I don't think it matters. It doesn't make a difference. So brilliant. So when you've done that, Microsoft Visual. Now this is the one I've got. Well, at least I've got the. So yeah, I've already got this, but I need to show you because just in case. So if I press save and then go to here and then go to files and just run it. Yeah, I want to make it changes. Before you get started, we need to set up start, whatever. And just let that download. I'm not sure how this long it's going to take, but I might go ahead. See? Just hope it works. There we go. So this product is already installed. Click update. I'll just press update. Yours might say you might need to install it. Maybe you need to update it, etc. Just follow the instructions and it should work. And it might take a long time if you install it for the first time, but if you're updating it shouldn't take too long. I'm just hoping this is not too long because I don't want to have to. There we go. Brilliant. Yes, nice. So, launch and modify. What does modify mean? No, that just if you want to add add-ons onto it. So brilliant, I've done it. So now that we've done that, let's see the next one. So we've done that. Now we need the DirectX 9.0C runtime. So that was the one that you need for the original construction set anyway. Download it. So if I download it here, yep, there we go, and then click on it, and so I accept the agreement. Blah blah blah. No, don't install the Bing bar. No way. Yeah, don't click off that, because that'll just install stuff on your computer which you don't want without even realizing it. Am I yes, right, finish play. I've already got it, so brilliant. But it should work for fine. I don't think there's what else. So brilliant. And then construction set v1.2, we've got that, and construction set. I don't think we need that. I don't think I've never done this other one as well. So brilliant. Right, now it should work now. So to install, make sure. So we've done all the prerequisites. In short, yeah, make sure you don't install it in program files directory, because it's a problem with admin accessing it. Completely uninstall any previous versions of the plugin. If you are running on Windows XP or blah blah blah, open the dialog, unblock, extract the contents if you're upgrading, and then it says run the launch CSC, but it don't ever work for me that. But I'm going to show you one way I can do. So right now, I think we can do with the stuff now. So if I press CMD in my search bar, if you was Windows, right click CMD and run as administrator. That's important because it will access it. Oops. And then, so if you've installed this Oblivion into a different disk, not C. So mine is E. So put whatever letter of your disk where you put Oblivion in, and then just put a semicolon next to it, and it should access it. So, and then if you want to access the folder, so we need to go to Oblivion. So CD, this is to tell you, this is, I think that means change directory, so we're going into the directory. So my first one is Steam Library, Steam Apps, Common, and then Oblivion. And then press enter, return, and then there we go. And then I'll just show you quickly. So what I did was, so I went to E, Steam Library, Steam Apps, Common, Oblivion. And now we're in here. So now we need to launch that. So to launch it, so OBSC _ load space editor. And there we go. We've done it. For another add-on, just to make it better for you, if you go to back into the the page I sent you, there's an optional file. Replace your test construction with, and it'll render it in your OS. So download that and download it. I'll come out of here. Takes a while to close off. And then now that we've got that, if we go to this and then this is so that I think, because I think you might have seen it, but so if you copy it, I'll explain it in a second. If you copy it, go to your Oblivion directory again, and then right click into and then paste it, and it'll just say replace. Yep, replace. So what this will do now, go back to your CMD, and then what you can do if you want to copy a line that you did before, if you just press up, you can go up all the way there. But I'll just go up once and return, and then there we go, etc. And you might notice it's a little bit better. It looks a bit more. The way it looks like is better. It looks a bit more like Windows 10, not Windows XP version. So brilliant. And yeah, and it works fine. I'm not going to go any further in this. This is just to get it all installed. But I'll just show you some stuff you can do with it, I think. So the scripting is far better now, because the scripting in the old one, in the original one, is really bad. So, and it highlights for you. So if I say, I want to do a script, no, I won't call it script. It won't let me do that. So if I call it script test, and then begin game mode, you see it lights up there, which is good, and then end. And if I say, oh, okay, I want to kill. Actually, no. Is there anything that I could do? That, or if I press add or something, or set. So set, you see when I press set, it comes up with commands that I can, so set game day to 1 or something. And that's really good, that's really fancy, that I really like that. So your scripting adventure will be a lot better, so you know, that's great. And that's brilliant, yeah, and everything else, you know, it's just a lot better and it doesn't crash hardly ever unless you mess it up, but don't worry, just remember to save your files regularly and it should be fine. So great, have a good time with that, and I'll see you later. Maybe I'll have some modding videos to help you do some more stuff on it. Great, okay, thanks, bye.